What's going on, everybody? I'm Tony. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Crescent, Texas for the 6th round of the CMRA Championship. In today's video, I'm going to take some of the highlights from the weekend, from Friday practice to actually racing on Saturday, just kind of mix them up and put them all into a fancy little edit. Per usual, I'm competing in the Honda Grom Challenge. It's amazing. It seems to be everybody's favorite, but I'm also competing in the 300 Superstock race. And hopefully, I can repeat some of my success from last round in Houston with another podium finish. With that said, if you like the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me just down below. And if you dig the content, go ahead and consider subscribing for me. I'd greatly appreciate it. I'm Dave. And now that Dave got his cameo, we can officially start the video. So the weekend on the 300 started bad and unfortunately ended bad. I kept it upright. I could just never I couldn't get comfortable on the bike for some reason. I don't know if it was the track, just the way that it was set up, the suspension on my bike. I definitely need some stuff refreshed, but I just couldn't get comfortable and I couldn't put down any quick laps and keep it safe. In the race, I got a pretty good start, but that start was very quickly eaten up. I think I went from 4th to maybe 6th I don't know, but turned a couple of laps, and by the time the race came to an end, I ended up finishing up in 7th place. So certainly not the Houston heroics that I had hoped for. Definitely didn't get another podium, but you know, it is what it is. I kept it as safe as possible, had some fun. Again, I've never run the track this way, so I got a couple of laps under my belt, and I'm feeling better about it now that the weekend's come to a close. I started the weekend with the Grom Challenge, got swamped in that one. The guys that were out there, insanely fast. My bike was keeping up, I just certainly wasn't. I still managed to get a couple of points, so I should still be leading that little championship, but if these dudes show up for any more rounds, I'm screwed. 300 race, kind of a bummer. Finished 7th overall, but on a positive note, we did endurance the 250 and got 2nd in class on the 250 in our first legitimate endurance race ever. So that 2nd place is definitely kind of a saving grace. Hugely pumped on that, but yeah, endurance racing is definitely where it's at in terms of bang for your buck. So if you are at all interested in racing, get some friends, get a cheap bike, and get out there and spin some laps, because it is amazing. But on that note, ladies and gents, I'm gonna go ahead and call this video quits. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up down below. And if you enjoyed the content, go ahead and consider subscribing for me. So until next time, I'm Tony. I'll catch y'all then. Bye.